Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on FastAPI and Streamlit. As we have gone through plenty of videos on Streamlit such as face detection, face alignment, face recognition, then image classification, fruits and vegetable classification, attendance system, and many more on Streamlit. We have gone through many videos on FastAPI. When I was going through FastAPI in Python, I was really surprised. I was really enthusiastic about making videos on FastAPI. We have seen FastAPI connection with DuckDB. We have seen FastAPI graph with pandas. Then we have seen FastAPI with Streamlit. Then we have seen connection to MySQL using FastAPI. Then we have seen connection to FastAPI using MySQL using React.js latest video. Different types of graph we have seen using FastAPI. We also seen FastAPI Streamlit, DuckDB, different what we call creative videos of on graph, that is with pandas and many more. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is about face detection, face recognition, face alignment using FastAPI with Streamlit. So let us go through the program execution first, and then we will go through the program code. So first of all, we will execute the backend part, that is FastAPI. Yes, executed successfully. Now we execute Streamlit. Yes, a nice screen displayed in front of you. Now face recognition. Now I will recognize the face recognition of ready-made images. I will not upload the image. I will also upload the image. First of all, I will recognize and align the images which are available. So first of all, we will take default image 2, then detect. Yes, these are the icons of the Bollywood. So first of all, face detection, then landmark and face alignment of Ranbir Kapoor, then Shah Rukh Khan, face detection, landmark and face alignment. Here it is a face is also recognized. Now Salman Khan, face detection, face landmark and face alignment, and Amitabh Bachchan. Now I will take another. These are default images I am taking. Yes. Now we can see here many faces, Bollywood celebrities are there. First one is Hrithik Roshan, then Deepika Padukone. Here it is name is written. If you don't know, but all of you might be knowing, Madhuri Dixit and Anushka Sharma and Salman Khan and again Shah Rukh Khan. Now I will take the image from the, I will upload the image. Browse the image. Yes, now face detection, face landmark, we will take another image. Landmark is not coming proper, we will take another image. Yes, face detection, face landmark and face alignment. So I successfully done with face detection, face alignment, face landmark using FastAPI with Streamlit, and we have seen in default images also and uploaded images also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you will recall my memories of machine learning pattern programming, of which you have done so a lot of videos. You can also watch all those videos of face landmark, face alignment, face detection and face recognition. So for latest update about FastAPI, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.